Welcome to Discover Science. Hello friends! Do you like to play with a top? Today we're going to play with a top. We're also going to make the top stay in one place instead of dancing all around like Jack's top. Aren't you curious how to make it not move and dance in one place? Okay, here we go. What makes Jack's top different from the others? Discover. Today's materials: a clear disc, a handle, axle, magnet, paper clips, and tape. All right, let's go ahead and make a magnet that spins on top of a paper clip. Okay, first we have this long piece here. Take this, and then we're going to take a piece of tape, and we're going to put the tape on top of here and make it stick. Okay? Be careful. Take the piece out. Now we want to take the middle piece out, all of it, like this, and then we're going to stick it onto here. Careful. Make it stick. Okay? That's one piece. Then take the tape off on this side, like this. Okay, now we have a magnet here. Take the magnet and put it on top. Ooh. Ooh. And then push. Okay, now another piece of tape. Okay, take the middle piece out, throw it away. And then take the paper off on one side. Okay, and then we're going to stick this onto the magnet. Okay, and now take the paper off of this side of the tape. Okay, so far you should have the bottom, tape, magnet, more tape. Now we're going to put the clear disc on top here, like this. So it should look like that. And it sticks together, right? It doesn't fall. Now, one more piece of tape. Okay, take the middle out. Throw away the middle. Okay, take one side of the sticky tape off and put it on top, like this. There we go. Push, and then pull off one piece of the tape. And then now we're going to put the top side on here. Spin it around. Oosh, oosh, push. Okay. All right, so if you see here, we have 3 pieces of tape and everything is glued together so it looks like one piece, okay? Now, let's try spinning it without the paper clip. What do you think will happen? Ooh, again? Ah, there, look, look, look. Spinning, 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 right? All right, now let's take a paper clip and spin it on top of the paper clip. It's dancing! Can you see? Woo! Wow! And it's spinning in place on top of the paper clip. Try again. Wow, this is very cool. Wow! All right, try it yourself and see how it works. Wow! Again! Think why. This is a magnet, right? And magnet sticks to iron. And paper clips are made of iron. That's why it sticks to magnets like this. Watch this. Remember, iron or clips or anything that is magnetic can stick to either sides of the magnet because it's stronger on the ends. But have you ever seen this happen? Wow! Why does this happen? This is called magnetization. Magnetization is the magnet moving its energy from one clip to the next. Wait a minute. Doesn't this always work, you ask? Let's see. Nope, doesn't work, right? Only works if it's stuck to a magnet, like this. Wow. Maybe you can go and show your friends, hey, I'm going to show you a magic trick, and show them how to make magnets stick to each other like this. Ah, da-da-da-da-da. And what about our top, right? Remember, we span it inside the paper clip like this and it's dancing. How does this work? Well, this is the axle of the top. It becomes magnetized, allowing the top to move or dance inside this paper clip, like this. Ta-da! So anyways, have fun with your magnets and your top. And also think more about how magnetation weakens as iron is connected. Remember I showed you earlier? One can connect to one and then another and another. But the longer it goes, it becomes so weak that, oh, I got one more. Do you think this is going to work? Here, I got a small one. Oh, wow! It worked. Ah, no. So the longer you make the paper clips, it's not going to work, okay? So it's very strong at the top, but gets weaker at the bottom. Try it with your magnets too. Wow, did you see that?